Distinguished members of the committee, esteemed colleagues, and fellow researchers, it's a great honor and privilege for us to have this opportunity to present our study entitled Artificial Intelligence for Food Security, Rice Production Prediction in Indonesia with Linear Regression, Long Short-Term Memory, and Ensemble Learning. Our work specifically focused on Indonesia, a nation where rice plays a central role in the diet and economy. By developing accurate predictive models to anticipate rice production trends, which are critical for informed policy making and strategic agricultural planning. There is authors, me as Daniel Crispalito, and Semi Shafta, and Jacqueline Harifa, and Kenny Jinga. Next. Food security is a strategic global issue, especially for developing countries like Indonesia. Rice plays a vital role as the main food source for the population. Based on data from Good Start, Indonesia ranked as the fourth largest rice-consuming country in the world, reaching 35.3 million metric tons per year. Food security is crucial in Indonesia, the fourth largest rice consumer globally. Production challenges include population growth, climate change, and land limitation. This study applies modern AI, linear regression, LSTM, and ensemble learning to estimate rice production with high accuracy to support national policy. Next.
And for our literature reviews, previous studies show that linear regression is effective for linear data, while LSTM excels in handling complex time series data. Research by Zhang and Li highlights the success of hybrid approach in agricultural yield predictions. This study compares the two methods and evaluates the effectiveness of the combined model in the context of agricultural in Indonesia.
In this study, uses the Indonesian rice crop data from 2018 until 2023 from IEEE data port. The main variable used are harvested area, humidity, and temperature. The rainfall variable was excluded because the Pearson correlation matrix analysis showed a very weak relationship with production. And for the data preprocessing, there is a one hot encoding for provincial data to avoid ordinal assumptions error. Standard scaler for numeric data normalization, so all features have a consistent scale. And we split the data set into ratio 80-20, 80% for training and 20% for testing. We have three models. First, linear regression to capture linear pattern between input variables and production. LSTM, a neural network model effective in handling sequential and complex data. And ensemble model for combining prediction from linear regression and LSTM using a simple averaging. For the evaluation, we use MSA, mean square error, MAE, mean absolute error, RMSE, root mean square error, and R square. Next.
And for the results of our experimentals, it shows that linear regression provided the best performance with an R2 value of 0.8780 and mean absolute error of 0.1948. And of course, for the root mean squared error of 0.4502. And for the LSTMs, it produced an R2 value of 0.8621 with slightly higher mean absolute error and root mean squared error. And the ensemble model, which combined both approaches, produced balanced performance with an R2 of 0.873 and 1. And in other words, linear regression is more accurate for these datasets, but the ensemble models offer more stable predictions by leveraging the strength of both methods. The predictions visualizations also show that the three models have relatively similar performance, with linear regressions having an advantage for short-term linear datasets.
This study still has a limitation, such as a small dataset size and the absence of other important features like soil quality, irrigation schedules, or pest attacks. Therefore, for future work, several directions can be taken. First, add other important variables such as daily rainfall, soil types, and socioeconomic data. Use other more complex models such as random forest, XGBoost, GRU, or transformers. Develop a real-time prediction platform to assist policymakers and farmers. And conduct region-specific studies so predictions are more contextual and applicable. Next.
And for the summary, in conclusions, we can say that linear regression is very effective for these datasets. LSTM has a great potential for a longer and a more complex datasets, and for the ensemble models, produce more stable and adaptive results. Also, this study proved that an AI can be an important tool to support food security through more accurate agricultural yield prediction.
Here
And this is
are
for
the reference of our study. Next. Thank you for hearing our presents.